What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. Today, on recess activity, recess beer band is now ongoing to Oslo, Norway to celebrate her Christmas. Yesterday, recess beer band uploaded a short video clip that shows that she was removing her makeup. She captioned it, "I am done, and today, the last working day for this year." Maybe his boyfriend Nadek will follow her in Oslo, Norway after Nadek's work for the new presenter of Caltex. Today, Nadek got released his advertisement and got pictorial for her new endorsement, another blessing to him that he deserved. As you can see, Nadek looks so handsome man as he promotes the new blessing. Then my couple has Manila to do work, and after work, if they had precious time, they will insert their marriage life according to them. As of now, then my couple finished their works to do their plans and to have a married life.